Hello everyone, go to abctutorial.com, search your expected search, go to the detail of your post, comment from the expected post in comment box. The most exciting thing is community. Go to community, then post your expected wish like asking anything or search a job or search employee or tutorial request. So keep subscribe ABC Tutorial YouTube or abctutorial.com. Stay with us. Hello everyone, welcome to ABC Tutorial and thanks to watching my video and keep stay with me. And guys, I'm sorry for that. There is I came after a long time with a video, but sorry to say again because I was in busy. That's why I did not make any video. So guys, in since last video I had been working with add to cart in e-commerce, right? So if you don't watch my rest of this video, please watch my video from 1 to 12 number video what already I did and uploaded in my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you the 13th number video of e-commerce or online shopping store, and today is our work how to remove product from cart and how it's work and how to manage a cart properly and different type of validation. So just see my video. And guys, one very happy things, that is I already created a new environment for you guys, which is ABC Tutorial. You know already that is ABC Tutorial is my old website, but the new look is already coming in your eyes. So guys, look here, this is my new ABC Tutorial website and this is very dynamic search and everything is very looks more than previous. So, and one very important things what I should tell you, that is I already created a community page which is like a Facebook. Just log in or sign up account and you can log in. After login you will you will have able to post any article or any expectation, like you can ask me any question and you can search any job or you can search any employee, or you can request me a tutorial. So what you already did in my YouTube page or YouTube video or Facebook page, which is very tough to get what people what see what need and how is and how can I find this. It was very tough to find this from different type of platform. So this is the high time to introduce you the new environment, which is ABC Tutorial community. So you can create your ID and you can log in and you can post your wishes. So guys, thank you very much. So let's move to the my 13th number video, which is cart management. So just follow my video. So since last day, I mean 12th video, I there was our work. So I have to change my card, I mean this card. So when I click here, let's see what happened, and Nokia already added. So when I click again here, so Nokia, another Nokia is added here. It should not be, it should be Nokia and quantity should be 2, right? So from before that I wanna make this list, like when you it should be contain a times or cross sign, which will when you click this sign it will remove this product from the list. So just let's see what I'm doing. I need to add a icon, right? So icon class will be fafa times. Let's see what happened. So yes, very nice. So we have a cross sign inside this list, in every list. So I need to click this cross sign specifically. So this action link mean full div action link. So I want, my expectation is it's a different action link and it should be a different action link, right? Because here so this is, let's look. Okay, it's broken down. So I can keep it inside this as well, because my expectation is when I click this cross button, it will remove this product from the list. So it can be full div, no problem. So my project is loading, just wait. Yes, when I click this, it will remove. So already done. So my code will be url.action. Write your method name. So we don't have method yet, so I will put it here after creating the method. So controller will be home and new object will be so we have to create a method before working, right? So public action result action result remove from cart. So integer product ID, we will send the product ID as a parameter, right? So copy this code and paste here. So what, okay, so this card will contain already existing sessions, I mean existing product which added in my list. So this card will contain this, and we will find the product detail by this product ID, this which is product. So here we'll have a for loop which is card. Inside the for loop we should add a conditional checking, which is item dot product dot product ID if it's equal to product ID. So it's not needed yet, right? So sorry. So if this product ID and already existing card product ID equal, then it should be removed from the list. So what was our list? Our list is card remove and items. The remove item should be removed from this card. So then after removing, set the list again into this session. So after all work, we need to return again in index page. So So my project is running, so copy the method name and paste here our method name, look, action name, controller name, and this is my route object. So product id equal item dot product id. So let's see what happened. You can remove it from this when you don't need this in this situation. So it's showing error. So what is my error? Yes, error is here. Yes, not showing any error. So guys, just click here. So everything is okay. So already added, and I wanna add again another product. So now click here. Yes, calling. So now just step over. So let's see, here is 2 item, right? So step over, our product ID is 1, so if 1, then remove. Okay, an error is showing here. So what was our error? Error is collection was modified, enumeration operation may be executed. So it says me that is collection what I wanna modify, it was modified and enumeration operation may be not executed. After modifying this existing existing list, you can't again iterate this link, right? So what happened here? Card has a 2 product, right? So we are going to iterate or for each organize a for each loop for this card, right? So inside this for each loop, we modified this card. I mean, we remove a product from this card. After removing, we try to iterate this, or we try to iterate this for each loop again, which is impossible. How can we solve this problem? We can solve this problem using break. So also you are learning about how break is working. So my project is running. So add a product. We are adding product this through this method, and one product is added, another same product I want to add and add it. So just click now, step over. Okay, let's see. It found, it says product ID of the card and product ID what I send, it's equal. So after equal, what it is doing, and now let's see, break, break is working. So let's see, Now what happened, product already removed from the list. So again I wanna delete this from the list, right? So delete, yes, also it's deleted. So add, okay, add, and Samsung 9 add. So I wanna delete Samsung, so let's see, delete it. So guys, this is our work, what we want to do. And you can delete this code from my this line from this code. So guys, this is my 13th number video, and keep subscribing my channel, and you can follow me in my Facebook, which is in description. You can see my description, and you can like in my Facebook page, and you can watch your article from my website, which is abctutorial.com. So this is a new website, and you can log in or sign up your account, and you can post a request for a tutorial or asking anything to anybody. And overall, this is a community of programmers. So thank you very much, keep subscribe.